Imagine turning your Milwaukee auto repair shop into a local legend overnight. What if I tell you the secret is hiding in plain sight? Google reviews. Not just any reviews. Raving fans who can't stop talking about your work. Now picture this. America's Best Shops agency swoops in. They don't just help collect reviews. They craft an unstoppable reputation machine. Suddenly, your phone won't stop ringing. Customers trust you before even stepping in. Here's the twist. It's not just about good service anymore. It's about mastering digital word of mouth. You'll watch your business grow while your competitors stay stuck in the past. Emotion hits when you realize every 5-star review builds a bridge between you and your next loyal customer. The best part? America's Best Shops knows exactly how to make that happen. Ready to skyrocket your repair shop and dominate Milwaukee? Ask yourself, are you just fixing cars? Or are you building a powerhouse brand? Dive into the future of auto repair success. Your shop deserves to shine. What's stopping you from becoming the most talked about auto repair spot in Milwaukee?